Holmarc's industrial-scale needleless electrospinning unit, model INE1000 FibSpinner, is a high-capacity, needleless electrospinning unit engineered for industrial-scale nanofiber production. Designed with a bottom-up spinning approach, the unit enables the uniform coating of nanofibers on substrates up to 1000 mm wide using a roll-to-roll mechanism. Unlike traditional needle-based systems, the INE1000 employs 3 stainless steel thin-slit spinneret rods to facilitate needle-less electrospinning, significantly reducing clogging, maintenance, and downtime. Each spinneret is fed by an independently controlled peristaltic pump system, offering precise control of flow rate and uniform fiber distribution. The system is controlled via a 12-inch touchscreen interface, allowing operators to configure process parameters, save the load recipes, and monitor system status in real time. Integrated safety features, including high-voltage interlocks, emergency stop, and overcurrent protection, ensure user safety and equipment integrity. This platform supports a wide range of polymer viscosities and is ideal for research, prototyping, and commercial-scale nanofiber production applications in sectors like biomedical engineering, filtration, protective textiles, and energy storage. Holmarc's industrial-scale needleless electrospinning unit, model INE1000 FibSpinner. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.